You just say that. No! 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 Go back to playing. Don't crash. Doing pretty good.
Boom. You will not know the cheer of mass destruction
Explosion.
that I could have caused. This is kind of fun. Okay, so I need to get this stuff done.
As you can see,
If I'm dragging
they're
a
being
video,
weaklings and just putting C4s on a car and driving. You know what I mean, man? I'm glad I got this new app for YouTube that allows me to record really nice videos. For you guys, you might appreciate this a bit more than my crappy videos that I've ever been doing. I like me getting really close to that by talking really quietly. I'm breathing into it now. As you can see, Cody's still playing. It was in the last video. He's pretty good at the games, I guess. And now they're just cheesing their way into the game and exploding cars. And I don't know, because I've been sitting here just being quiet. So, bye bye.